Hi, I'd like to show you how to develop a table in Google Drive. I've opened up a document, and then these are the tools I have to use right now. So I want to insert a table, and the table, I believe, should be just 2 columns across and 4 down. Now I'm going to actually going to label this Unit 1 Activity 1, and I think I'll make this a little bit larger and bold it and put a space in it. And this is actually titled Appealing Aspects of Careers, which I copied from the course, and I'm going to place that here. I will center it, and the first category is career. I will place that here, and I will center that. And the second column is titled Appealing Facts and Aspects. I'm going to narrow this side because the career won't take as much room. And as you type your answers in this area, you can make it larger. I'm going to shade this area. I'm just going to show you, you don't have to actually do this, but this is kind of interesting, I think. Under, I believe it's Format, you can go down to Table, and then go to the very bottom to Table Properties. And you can make the columns and or the areas in the text area different colors. And I think I'll do a medium gray. And this one a medium gray also. Oops. Medium gray. And that's how easy it is to create a table using Google Drive. Now, to insert this table into the assignment, you would go to File, Download as a PDF, and for the way I like to do it is save it as, and then put it on my desktop, and then click, and I would title this Activity 1. Whoopsie. Unit 1, Activity 1, and then save it. I don't actually want to save this on my desktop, so I'm not going to do that, but I push save. Then when I was inserting it into the course, you can find it on your desktop. Okay, I hope that helps. Thanks.